Tucked away on the sun-soaked coastline of the Red Sea, the Veraclub Emerald Lagoon sits about 19 kilometers south of Marsa Alam city, and it has built a quiet reputation as a place where the desert meets some of the most colorful underwater scenery in Egypt. Run by the Italian tour operator Veraclub under its well-known Veraclub brand, this four-star resort caters mostly to travelers looking for sun, snorkeling, and a relaxed, all-inclusive rhythm. The accommodation side of things keeps it simple, with two main room categories that cover the needs of both couples and families. There is no overwhelming menu of suite types or themed villas here, just practical options designed for people who plan to spend most of their day outside the room anyway. That straightforward approach actually fits the vibe of the place rather well. The standard room is the workhorse of the resort, sleeping up to 3 guests and coming with the essentials travelers expect from a beach resort of this category. Each one offers air conditioning, satellite television, a mini-fridge stocked for drinks at extra cost, a private bathroom with shower, a hairdryer, an in-room safe, and either a balcony or terrace where guests can sip a morning coffee and watch the light change over the lagoon. The rooms are not enormous, but reviewers across Booking and Expedia tend to describe them as spacious and comfortable, even if some TripAdvisor guests note that certain blocks feel a little dated. That mixed opinion likely reflects renovated and non-renovated sections of the resort, which is common in older Red Sea properties. Either way, the basics are well covered for a sunny holiday. Families gravitate toward the family room, which sleeps up to 4 people and is split into 2 separate spaces. There is a main double bedroom and a connected living-sleeping area where additional beds are arranged, which gives parents and children a little breathing room after a long day at the beach. The same in-room amenities apply, including the private balcony or terrace and the safe for valuables. One thing worth flagging is the Wi-Fi situation, which the official site lists only in the common areas, and several past guests have mentioned that signal in the rooms is patchy or absent. For travelers used to streaming in bed every night, this is something to plan around, though many visitors actually treat it as part of the digital detox that comes with the location. When it comes to food and drink, the resort sticks to a single main restaurant supported by a few bars, and the all-inclusive formula keeps things uncomplicated. The main restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner buffet style with a clear nod to Italian cuisine alongside international and local Egyptian dishes. There is usually a dedicated pasta station with an Italian chef, which guests have repeatedly singled out as a highlight, and show cooking adds a bit of theater to the evenings. Themed nights pop up during the week, mixing seafood spreads, regional Egyptian flavors, and classic Mediterranean menus. After a few days, some guests do note that the rotation can feel repetitive, which is a fair observation for any buffet-driven resort, but the quality of the core dishes generally holds up. Beyond the main dining room, the bar scene is split across 3 locations that cover different moments of the day. The lobby bar is the social hub in the evenings, offering local alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks included in the all-inclusive package, perfect for a pre-dinner chat or a nightcap after the entertainment show. The pool bar handles the daytime crowd with quick refreshments, while the beach bar serves snacks and drinks closer to the sand, which is honestly where most guests end up parking themselves for hours. None of the bars try to be a craft cocktail destination, and imported spirits typically cost extra, but the included selection is more than enough to keep the holiday flowing. The atmosphere stays casual, which suits the laid-back personality of the place. The pools and beach are arguably the main reason people book this resort, and it shows the moment guests walk down toward the water. There are 2 main swimming pools, with at least one of them heated during the cooler winter months, plus a separate shallow pool dedicated to children. The pool areas are spacious and lined with sun loungers, though the eternal beach resort issue of towels claiming chairs at dawn does occasionally surface in guest reviews. Around the pool there is plenty of shade and easy access to the bar, which makes it a comfortable spot even during the hottest part of the day. For travelers who prefer freshwater over saltwater, this side of the property offers an easy, no-fuss alternative. Still, the real star of the show is the lagoon. The resort sits on a wide sandy beach that opens directly onto a calm, sheltered stretch of water, naturally protected from the wind that often kicks up along the Red Sea coast. This makes it ideal for swimmers of all levels, including children and people who are not the most confident in open water. A jetty extends out from the beach to reach the reef, and that single feature is what turns this place into a snorkeler's playground. Within minutes, guests can be drifting over coral gardens populated by clownfish, parrotfish, and the occasional turtle, all without needing a boat trip. An external dive center operates from the beach for those who want to take it further, offering paid scuba excursions to nearby sites. Activity options at Veraclub Emerald Lagoon lean toward the easygoing rather than the adrenaline-packed, which fits the relaxed Italian holiday village format. There is a beach volleyball court right by the sand, a 5A-side football pitch for guests who want to organize a casual match, and table tennis tables for slower afternoons. A billiards table is available for a small fee, and the entertainment team typically runs daytime games, tournaments, and group fitness sessions around the pool. Snorkeling is technically a sport here too, given how central it is to the daily routine, and even non-divers tend to come back with stories about what they saw just off the jetty. None of this is about pushing limits, but it adds enough variety to fill a week. Evening activities revolve around the amphitheater, where the in-house animation team puts on shows that range from cabaret-style performances to interactive games and themed parties. The entertainment is delivered mainly in Italian, since the resort caters primarily to Italian tour operator guests, which is something international travelers should be aware of before booking. Past visitors have praised the team for being present without becoming overbearing, which is a tricky balance to strike at this kind of resort. Cultural enrichment is not really the focus of the property itself, but excursions to nearby attractions can be arranged through the tour desk. Overall, the activities are best described as cheerful, social, and unpretentious. The spa and wellness corner of the resort offers a quiet counterpoint to all the sun and snorkeling. The on-site wellness center provides a menu of massages and body treatments, all available at extra cost, which can be booked at the reception or directly at the spa. While the offer is not as elaborate as what you might find at a dedicated luxury wellness resort, it covers the basics that guests usually crave after long beach days, like back and shoulder massages, relaxation rituals, and a few facial treatments. The atmosphere tends to be calm and unrushed, with therapists who take time to explain options. It is a welcome addition rather than the centerpiece of the stay. Beyond the spa rooms, wellness at this resort is more about the environment than structured programs. There is no extensive sauna and steam complex, no detox menu, and no daily yoga schedule built into the package, although informal stretching or fitness sessions sometimes appear in the animation program. What guests get instead is the natural therapy of swimming in warm, clear water, walking along quiet stretches of beach, and falling asleep to the sound of the sea. For many travelers, especially those coming from busy European cities, that combination ends up being more restorative than any high-tech wellness ritual. The slow pace of the place is, in itself, the treatment. Because Veraclub Emerald Lagoon welcomes families, kids are very much part of the daily picture, and the resort dedicates a proper space to keeping them entertained. There is a mini club with trained staff who run activities throughout the day, covering arts and crafts, games, mini tournaments, and themed afternoons that match whatever the evening show happens to be. The children's pool is separate from the main pools, shallow and safe, and located in an area where parents can easily keep an eye on things from a sunlounger. Kids also tend to love the lagoon itself, which is calm enough that even younger swimmers can splash around safely under supervision. It feels like a place genuinely designed with multi-generational holidays in mind. In the evenings, the mini club crew usually puts on a mini disco or small show before the main entertainment kicks off, giving younger guests their own moment in the spotlight. Family rooms are practical for keeping everyone together without sacrificing privacy, and the buffet has plenty of simple, kid-friendly options like pasta, pizza, fresh fruit, and desserts. Parents often mention how relaxed they feel here because the resort is contained and quiet, with no busy roads or crowds to worry about. The remote location actually becomes an advantage for traveling with children. By the end of a week, most kids do not want to leave. The location of the resort is gloriously isolated, which is both its strength and its limitation depending on what guests are after. Marsa Alam International Airport is about 45 kilometers away, meaning the transfer takes the better part of an hour, but once you arrive there is no need to leave again unless you want to. Marsa Alam city itself sits roughly 19 kilometers north and offers some basic shopping, local restaurants, and a glimpse of everyday Egyptian life away from the resorts. Port Galib Marina, about 40 kilometers away, is a more polished destination with boutiques, cafes, and a pretty waterfront that makes for a nice afternoon outing. These small trips give guests a taste of variety without forcing them into long drives. For nature and diving enthusiasts, the surroundings are genuinely spectacular. Abu Dabab Bay is roughly 18 kilometers away and is famous for sightings of sea turtles and dugongs in the seagrass beds, while Marsa Mubarak, about 20 kilometers from the resort, is another beloved snorkeling spot. Elphinstone Reef, one of the most legendary dive sites in the Red Sea, lies around 15 kilometers offshore and can be reached on organized boat trips. These attractions are the real draw of the region, and the resort positions itself perfectly as a base camp for exploring them. Beyond water-based activities, there is not much in the way of cultural sightseeing nearby, so visitors looking for temples and historical sites would need longer excursions. Taking a step back and weighing everything together, Veraclub Emerald Lagoon comes across as a solid, dependable 4-star resort that delivers exactly what it promises. TripAdvisor scores it around 4.5 out of 5 across more than 2,600 reviews, while Booking and Expedia give it 8.4 and 8.6 respectively, all of which paint a consistent picture of a well-run, well-loved property. Guests routinely praise the friendly staff, the cleanliness, the position on the lagoon, and the value for money. The strongest impressions tend to be left by the natural setting, the reef access, and the warmth of the service rather than the building itself. It is the kind of place people leave feeling like they got more than they paid for. There are, of course, weaker points to keep in mind. The Wi-Fi situation in the rooms is the most common complaint, and the food, while tasty, can feel repetitive after several days. Some accommodation blocks feel older than others, and the surrounding area offers little nightlife or independent dining options for anyone who likes wandering outside the resort gates. The transfer from the airport is also longer than at properties closer to Hurghada or central Marsa Alam. None of these are deal-breakers, but they shape what kind of traveler will get the most out of this destination. What makes Veraclub Emerald Lagoon stand out is the unique trio of features rarely found together at this price point. First, there is the lagoon itself, a sheltered, swimmable bay that turns this stretch of coast into an aquatic playground suitable for absolute beginners and seasoned snorkelers alike. Second, there is the jetty leading straight to a vibrant coral reef, which means guests can experience world-class underwater scenery without booking expensive boat trips. Third, the Italian management style brings a particular flavor to the food, the hospitality, and the social atmosphere that fans of the Veraclub brand return to year after year. Add the calm, low-stress setting and the family-friendly layout, and the package becomes genuinely distinctive. While the resort is not built around conferences and business events, it does have spaces such as the amphitheater and various lounge areas that can accommodate small group gatherings, themed parties, or informal meetings tied to leisure travel. Tour operator groups occasionally use the property for incentive trips, taking advantage of the all-inclusive setup and the natural attractions. Anyone seriously planning a corporate event would want to discuss specifics directly with the resort, since dedicated meeting rooms are not the main focus here. For social events tied to a holiday, however, the venue works well. The guest experience moments that come up again and again in reviews are surprisingly personal, which says a lot about the place. Visitors talk about staff who remember their names by the second day, waiters who quietly bring extra portions to kids who loved the pasta, and animation team members who genuinely seem happy to be there. People describe the joy of stepping off the jetty and immediately being surrounded by fish, or watching a sunset from the beach bar with a drink in hand and no agenda for the evening. The combination of warm Egyptian hospitality and Italian-style attention to detail creates an atmosphere that feels both relaxed and looked after. For a lot of guests, that human factor is what turns Veraclub Emerald Lagoon from a nice holiday into one they actually want to repeat. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.